Hi. In this series, we're going to learn about genetic algorithms. We're going to apply the genetic algorithm that we develop to a common and popular problem in computer science known as the traveling salesman problem. So let's bring up the traveling salesman problem here in Wikipedia. The traveling salesman problem asks the following question. Given a list of cities and the distances between each pair of the cities, what's the shortest possible route that visits each and every one of the cities? So here you can see a potential solution off here on the right. And this is an interesting problem because it's NP-hard. The brute force technique to this problem takes O of n factorial time. So, and I think, so here you can see sort of a little animation of working out various different solutions to the problem. You're really looking at a way of minimizing the distance that you have to travel when you visit all of these cities. And this particular problem is somewhat suited to using the genetic algorithm. So we will define what a genetic algorithm is. We'll look at how we model our particular GA, and ultimately we're going to build out an application. I'm going to show you what the application looks like right now here in the intro to see if you're interested in the series or not. So let's run it. And here you can see we are running through the generations and the shortest path that we've found so far. That's what we're showing you here at the top. And if you run this program long enough, you will find that it will quickly start to almost get ironed out. The path will get ironed out, and you'll be able to just visually tell that it was that it's improving over time, right? That you're not sort of making inefficient moves by zigging and zagging across the screen. There's no guarantee that you're going to get the most optimal answer, but you're going to get a near optimal answer in a reasonable amount of time when you apply this approach. Okay, so that's what this video is going to be about. This series is going to be about. Please do make sure to rate, like, and comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video where we begin our journey.